Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to make your poster have a burning effect. Okay, so now we need to add a picture onto this page. For example, yeah, you can use any image that you want to use onto your poster. For example, for me, I will try to add a car image. I think I'm gonna use this image of this car and then set the image onto the background like this. Then after that, insert one more time the same image as the background, and now you need to add a frame. For example, I think I'm going to add this frame onto this image like this. And now you need to adjust the size of the frame, and after that, insert the image that you adding before onto the frame, and now increase the size of the image and make sure it has a same size and a same position as the background position. And finish. Now we can adjust the length of the frame like this. And one more time, adjust the position of the image that you insert onto the frame like this. Now the one thing that you need to do is adding the burning paper effect. But first we need to adjust the brightness on this frame image. We need to decrease it like this, and for the contrast we can increase the contrast, and for the highlight I think I'm going to increase it too like this. For the shadow, I will increase the shadow like this. And after you finish, this is the result that you will get. And if you still haven't satisfied with the result, we can do more by adding the element of burning paper by typing it like this, burning paper, then click it. And now you can add this circular burning paper. Wait for a moment. And then adjust the position on top of the frame like that. And after that, you can add one more frame of a circle frame, this one, and positioning the frame on top of the burning paper effect that you adding before, this one. And after that, now you need to add a same photo as the background photo, adding it one more time and insert onto the circular frame. And now adjust the position of it like this. Okay, make sure it has a same position and same size of the background. And this is what you got after you insert the picture onto the frame. And now you need to move the position behind of the burning paper effect. And after that, now for the look, I'm going to add one more time of this burning paper effect, decrease the size. Now we'll add it on top of here like this. Duplicate it and adding it on this side like this. And after you finish, this is the result that you will get. I think it will be much more look good if you add a text. For example, I will add a I will add this text. Change the font onto this one, and then duplicate it, change the text, this one more time, duplicate it, this one, and change the color of the text. I think I'm going to use white color like this to all of the text. And this is the result that you got. That's the way how to add a burning paper effect onto your poster using Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.